This 5-minute solution will show you how to fix can't download pictures from iMessage on iPhone. So if you're in your iMessage and you received a photo from a conversation and now you are facing issues to downloading the iMessage photo, follow these easy steps to fix this issue. The first solution is check your internet connection. You can turn on airplane mode for 10 seconds and then turn it back off. You can switch your internet from Wi-Fi to cellular or cellular to Wi-Fi and make sure to use a strong internet and then try to re-download the picture. The second solution is go to your iPhone settings. Scroll down, tap on messages, and here disable iMessage for 5 seconds and then turn it back on. And now scroll down and make sure to enable MMS option from here and then try to re-download the picture. The third solution is give a simple restart. Sometimes restarting your iPhone can fix this kind of issues. So restart your iPhone and then check the issue. The last and final solution is reset all settings. Go to your iPhone settings, scroll down, tap on General, scroll down, transfer reset iPhone, reset all settings. Once done, you will be able to download any pictures from iMessage. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.